I did my unboxing of Painting with Diamonds, and as you can see, I'm probably about, I'd say, a quarter of the way done. So far, it really is sparkly, like diamonds, which you can see as I move it around. I was a bit skeptical that that was the case, but it is super sparkly. Also, the farther back I look, the more I see that, hey, it really is making a picture. Because up close it doesn't look like anything, which is kind of exciting because you really have no idea what you're making until the end. My opinion of this kit is that this is an actually amazing kit and a really good deal. This is quality, and I am extremely impressed and surprised for the price I paid, which was very inexpensive. So based on my opinion, I will say that it is very easy to put these on. The only thing you have to do is you have to make sure that they're square when you put it on. The second thing that I would suggest is that you keep this on, that you don't peel it up, mainly because you don't want to get any hair or dust that might flow onto this. You want to make sure that it's nice and clean. One of the things I'm extremely impressed about is that this has been out for maybe a week or two, and it is extremely sticky. It does not lose its stickiness, and it is very good. As you see, it doesn't wiggle around at all. So that is something I'm really surprised about. Also, the quality of these diamonds is excellent. There are no defects. And this is not just the one color, it's all the colors. So in order to make it sparkle, they were very smart, and they did two facets, which, as you can see, the one is a square and the other one is more of a diamond shape. So it doesn't matter how you put them, but that, if you can see very closely on mine, that is what's making it sparkle a little bit more because the light reflects off. They are not paying me to say this. I wish they were. I would love to get sponsored if you're watching this Painting with Diamonds. I would definitely say Painting with Diamonds is excellent. I haven't tried the other brands, but I will say this is great. I went to the local Dollar Tree and I bought these little bins. $1 for 10 of them, and I just took some sticky labels and I stuck it on, as you can see here. So this is number 10, but it's called a 2 on the map. So this is the key, the map, and the only thing that makes this a little hard, which I would suggest for the company that they would do differently. I'll give an example. The one that's 23 on the bag, or that other big number, 796. If you go down here to 23, it's actually the @ symbol. And if you go to number 24, you go to the key, 24 is a question mark. Okay, but there's also numbers, there's letters. So it might be in a certain order for the manufacturing numbers or for in Chinese, but in regular numeric numbers that we know, it's not in order. So in order to do that, it's a little bit of a pain, but I just label it and then it's very easy. And then I just keep these in a pile of numeric order. As I open them up, I put them in, and it's very easy to go back and forth, and it's actually kind of fun. It's interesting, it's exciting, and I cannot wait to show you guys the rest of it once I get it going. So thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you subscribe so you can keep seeing my updates. And I just want to give a big shout out to everyone who's watching in the Netherlands, the UK, Germany, and Australia, and of course the United States. You guys are my biggest fans for the Painting with Diamonds, and I hope that you tell all your friends. Thanks a lot and have a great day.